Welcome to the wondrous world of Skagway, Alaska, a place where adventure and natural beauty meet. Today, we embark on a journey to discover the top 10 tours and excursions in this breathtaking land. First up, the White Pass and Yukon Route Railway, a spellbinding tour that catapults you into the mesmerizing wilderness of Yukon. For 110 miles, this scenic railroad offers a journey through breathtaking landscapes and historic sites, steeped in a rich gold rush history. The vintage locomotive chugs along rugged mountains, deep gorges, cascading waterfalls and tunnels carved out of mountains, infusing your voyage with a touch of adventure. A journey on this railway is not just a sojourn through nature, but a trip back to a thrilling epoch of discovery and pioneering spirit. Next, we have the Chilkoot Trail Hike and Float, a fusion of hiking and rafting that takes you through majestic landscapes. Imagine plunging into an adventure that takes you on a 3-mile hike through dense forests and over rocky terrains, finally leading you to the tranquil Taiya River. There, awaiting your arrival, are inflatable rafts ready to help you float through the serene waterways. This excursion is a sublime blend of adrenaline and serenity, offering breathtaking panoramic views that remain etched in your memory forever. Experience the thrill of the Skagway Helicopter Tour, an unforgettable escapade that takes you flying high above the majestic glaciers and serene alpine lakes. Feel the rush of adrenaline as you ascend into a world of unparalleled beauty, a snowy wonderland punctuated by sapphire blue lakes. It's like stepping into a postcard, with every glance revealing another breathtaking vista. The Skagway Helicopter Tour provides an intimate look at nature's grandeur from a unique bird's-eye view. Don't miss out on this awe-inspiring journey. Drenched in rich history, the Skagway City and White Pass Summit Tour invites you to take a step back in time. For history enthusiasts, this tour takes you on a distinctly memorable journey, immersing you in the fervor of the Gold Rush era. The tour traverses the scenic landscapes of Skagway City and then ascends to the breathtaking heights of the White Pass Summit. Offering an unparalleled blend of history and natural beauty, each moment on this tour is a discovery. Prepare to be captivated by the compelling tales from the yesteryears and the awe-inspiring vistas of the present. Embark on an unforgettable journey with the Glacier Point Wilderness Safari. Experience the thrill as you glide through the icy waters on our robust boats, where every ripple tells a story. As the boat ride concludes, step onto the untouched wilderness, where nature unfurls its magic. Explore the thriving ecosystem on a guided hike, delving deeper into the heart of this captivating terrain. With breathtaking landscapes and fascinating wildlife at every turn, the Glacier Point Wilderness Safari is more than just an adventure, it's a symphony of nature's wonders. Embark on an adventure like never before into the heart of the Alaskan wilderness with the Yukon Wildlife Safari. Witness wildlife in their natural habitat as you traverse through the vast landscapes. From majestic mountains to serene water bodies, you'll encounter a wildlife spectacle that's hard to find anywhere else. Get ready to meet the likes of grizzlies, moose, caribou, and perhaps, if you're lucky, the elusive wolf. This is not just a journey, it's a lifeline into the soul of Alaska. The Ocean Raft Alaska Adventure, an exhilarating ride that takes you across the dramatic backdrop of Alaskan waters. With top speeds capable of making your heart race, this adventure is all about the adrenaline rush. Picture speeding through the spray of the frigid ocean, with the winds in your face and the awe-inspiring Alaskan panorama surrounding you. This is not just a tour, it's a roller coaster on water. The Ocean Raft Alaska Adventure promises high-speed thrills on the water. The Skagway Native cultural experience, a remarkable cultural hub, brings you up close and personal with the rich native Tlingit culture. Immerse yourself in the vibrant tapestry of local tradition and folklore, experiencing the rhythm of tribal dances, the whispers of age-old stories, and the mesmerizing intricacies of indigenous crafts. This encounter broadens your horizon and deepens your understanding of a unique way of life, steeped in harmony with nature and the passage of time. Venturing out on a kayak in Skagway is a transformative experience. As soon as your oar dips into the sparkling water and your journey begins, it feels like you are entering a different world. The raw and untouched beauty of Skagway surrounds you as you paddle amidst icebergs and mountain vistas under the expansive Alaskan sky. The air is crisp, clean, and filled with the peaceful sounds of nature, It's a connection with the great outdoors that is intimate, serene, and profoundly moving. Kayaking in Skagway is not just a sport, it is an encounter with nature's quiet splendor. Lastly, let's embark on the Skagway fishing excursion for an unforgettable fishing experience. Imagine casting your line into pristine, icy waters, surrounded by the breathtaking Alaskan wilderness. This adventure takes you deep into Skagway's local fishing spots, brimming with a diverse array of marine life. A haven for anglers, this excursion promises not just a catch, but a thrilling journey steeped in natural beauty. Did you enjoy this journey through Skagway, Alaska? If so, don't forget to hit that like button. It helps us to know what adventures you want to see more of. And if you're craving more thrilling travel content, make sure to subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us continue to bring you exciting new destinations and experiences. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next adventure.